How to remove all TikTok reposts from your account. So first of all, simply open your TikTok account. If you want to see how you can repost, simply tap on the love icon, and at the end there will be repost to followers option. Simply press on that, or you can simply long press on the love icon and it will be reposted. Now if you want to remove such reposted videos, simply head over to your profile, and at the middle there is a repost section. Now simply tap on the videos that you want to delete. These are all the reposts. If you want to delete all of them, simply press on each. Then simply press on your profile icon right over here, and here you'll find reply, remove or react option. Simply press on remove and tap on delete repost, and repeat the same in other videos. Tap on remove, tap on delete repost, tap on your profile, tap on remove and tap on delete repost. In this way you can remove all of your reposted videos, and as you can see there are no videos reposted left. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.